Welcome to the top best. The best Turtle Wax Scratch Repair Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for car owners looking to restore their vehicle's paintwork to its former glory, especially when dealing with those frustrating minor scratches and scuffs that can detract from an otherwise pristine finish, offering a convenient and effective way to tackle everyday paint imperfections without the need for professional intervention, making it a valuable addition to any car care arsenal for maintaining a showroom look. Number 5. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. Experience durable paint protection that shields your car from UV rays and contaminants. It keeps your vehicle cleaner for longer, reducing the need for frequent washes. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like finish that enhances your car's paint. It boosts color depth and clarity for a truly high-gloss appearance. This product creates a slick surface that makes water bead and roll right off. Enjoy reduced drying time and say goodbye to unsightly water spots. Simply spray it onto a clean, dry car and buff with a microfiber cloth. You can even apply it in direct sunlight for convenience. It's safe to use on all exterior surfaces, including glass, headlights, trim, and wheels. Give your entire car a protective shine. What we like. This offers durable paint protection that keeps your car cleaner for longer. If you are looking for a high-gloss, mirror-like finish with extreme water-beading action, this is the one for you. It's safe from multiple exterior surfaces, making it a versatile choice for overall car care. What people say. This stuff really beats the water and keeps the car clean and hydrophobic. Water just seems to bead right off. Application is very easy. So far this thing has lasted over 3 months and the protection seems to still be working strong. The car looks phenomenal, with a glossy shine I've never been close to achieving before with traditional waxes. It's inexpensive, it's economical and very easy to use, it gives incredible results. Update, it's been a couple of months since I used the product and I'm still getting great beading. Application was easy and straightforward, spray on and wipe off. The shine and slickness is unbelievable. After a few rains and several mornings of morning dew, the surface is still spotless and slick. You'll find that dirt, dust etc. won't stick to the paint as easily and obviously water will run right off. This is the most my truck has ever shined. Number 4. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. Introducing a revolutionary way to restore your car's finish. This powerful formula tackles common paint imperfections with ease. Unlike ordinary removers, ours contains protective resins that bond to your clear coat. This ensures the repair won't wash away, providing durable protection. Our precision polishing agents gently level imperfections without harming your paint. It's safe for all glossy paint colors and clear hard plastics. No professional skills are needed. You can easily apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a machine polisher for enhanced results. Erase years of damage in minutes and achieve professional results at home. This cost-effective solution saves you both time and money. Restore your car's appearance and confidence with this all-in-one solution. It effectively removes scratches, swirls, and oxidation for a flawless finish. What we like. This product effectively removes light surface scratches, swirls, and more, with results that bond to the clear coat and won't wash away. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to tackle imperfections and restore your car's appearance at home, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for all glossy paint surfaces and can be applied by hand or with a machine polisher. What people say. The application process was incredibly straightforward. I followed the instructions, and within minutes, I started to see a noticeable difference. The formula is easy to apply, and it spread smoothly over the scratched areas. After buffing it out, the scratches faded significantly, and in some spots, they were virtually invisible. What I love most is that it doesn't just cover up the scratches, it actually repairs and restores the finish of the paint. The shine that it leaves behind is impressive, giving my car a fresh, polished look. This product buffed it out pretty good and saved my paint. Number 3. Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restorer Kit. Are your headlights cloudy and yellow? Restore them to a crystal clear finish with this easy-to-use kit. See the road ahead with confidence. Our advanced formula effectively removes oxidation and haze. It's designed to bring back the original clarity of your lenses. Enjoy long-lasting protection with our ceramic acrylic wipes. This advanced coating helps prevent future yellowing and damage. Achieve professional-looking results in just a few simple steps. No special tools or experience needed for a brilliant shine. Improve your nighttime driving safety. Clearer headlights mean better visibility, making your journey safer for you and others. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a complete headlight restoration. Get ready to see the difference. What we like. This kit is designed to restore clarity to hazy or yellowed headlights, improving visibility and safety. If your headlights are dull and affecting your night driving, this is the solution you need. It includes ceramic acrylic protection for long-lasting results. What people say. The change that this kit made on my lights is remarkable. They are definitely in a like-new state right now. The biggest thing that makes this product worthy of your dollar is the incredible ease of use. My lights are now like new, the only thing that you can still see is areas where a rock hit the lens on the highway, or a crack inside the plastic, not on the surface. Number 2. Menzerna One-Step Polish 3-in-1. Experience ultimate shine with this all-in-one polish. It combines medium cut, finishing, and sealing, leaving your car looking brand new without the need for multiple products. Achieve professional results effortlessly. This compound works with various pads and machines, or even by hand, giving you control for a brilliant finish. Easily corrects swirls, holograms, and scratches. It brightens your car's color and protects the surface from environmental damage, making cleaning a breeze. Getting started is simple. Apply the polish with a foam pad, work it in with moderate pressure, let it dry, and wipe away residue for a stunning look. Benefit from over 130 years of polishing expertise. We help you achieve the perfect finishing touches for a car you'll love. Quickly increase the value of your used vehicle before selling. This single product provides a showroom quality finish that impresses. What we like. This all-in-one polish acts as a medium-cut polish, finisher, and sealant, simplifying your detailing process. If you're looking to save time and achieve a professional-level shine with minimal effort, this is ideal. It's perfect for reconditioning used vehicles and protecting the paint from environmental damage. What people say. It works great for filling in small scratches and rock chips. The clear coat fill is easy to apply and dries quickly. It leaves a smooth finish that blends in well with the surrounding paint. Number 1. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Scratch Repair Kit. Tired of unsightly car scratches, swirl marks, or paint transfer? This kit offers a simple, all-in-one solution for professional-level results at home. Our premium polishing abrasives safely and evenly cut into the surface. They tackle imperfections with delicacy and ease, making it simple to achieve a flawless finish. The clear coat resin fills and protects the affected area. Enjoy instant gloss and uniformity, bringing your paint back to a like-new appearance. You can use this product with confidence. It is safe for all colors of clear-coated paint surfaces. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. You'll get polishing compound, clear coat resin, a foam applicator block, applicator cloths, and gloves. What we like. This kit provides a simple, all-in-one solution for tackling car scratches, swirl marks, and paint transfer, delivering professional-level results. If you want to restore your paint to a like-new appearance with a product that fills and protects the affected area, this is the choice for you. It's safe for all colors of clear-coated paint surfaces. What people say. This stuff is it. I restored 2 entire cars, solving multiple problems: worn thin missing clear coat, deep sand scratches, faded dull finish. The solvent is very aggressive, removing all previous waxes, impossible grim, oxidation, etc., yet does not melt paint like acetone. The results are extremely durable. 1 year later, the application is as fresh as the day one, so it likely will last many years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.